Lexus has just dropped a bombshell at Monterey Car Week, unveiling a machine that's got the entire car world talking. It's sleek, it's sculpted, and it's seriously fast. Meet the Lexus Sport Concept, a stunning vision that previews what could become the brand's next great supercar, the Lexus LFR. While Lexus hasn't confirmed it officially, the clues are all there. And trust me, this could be the spiritual successor to the legendary LFA. When you first lay eyes on it, it's impossible not to stare. The proportions are pure drama. A long hood, a short rear deck, and an aggressive stance that looks ready to pounce. Compared to the prototype we saw tearing up Goodwood Festival of Speed, this concept adds new details, sharper lines, fresh textures, and an unmistakable Lexus identity. The front fascia stretches elegantly across the fenders, integrating the headlights and grille into one sweeping, fluid design. At the rear, a bold N-shaped light bar spans the entire width, giving it a distinctive nighttime signature. Every inch of this car screams intent, a statement that Lexus isn't done chasing performance greatness. Lexus calls it a vision for a next-generation sports car, and it's easy to see why. The concept's clean surfaces are balanced by deep sculpting, giving it both elegance and muscle. Camera pods replace traditional mirrors, reducing drag and adding futuristic flair. A subtle illuminated tail fin on the roof not only looks incredible, it doubles as a high-mounted brake light. At the back, a massive diffuser dominates, paired with an active rear spoiler that adjusts in real time for stability and downforce. And if you look closely, you'll notice something missing: the prototype's exhaust tips. Instead, the rear features a triangular pattern, a direct nod to the iconic triple exhaust of the Lexus LFA. That's not a coincidence. It's Lexus whispering, "The legend isn't gone. It's evolving." The GT3 racing prototype, showcased earlier this year, roared to life with a naturally aspirated, high-revving V8. No hybrid whine, no silence. Just a brutal mechanical soundtrack that gave every car enthusiast chills. GT3 regulations limit engines to around 600 horsepower, with a minimum weight of 1,300 kilograms, meaning this is a pure driver's machine. It's clear that the LFR isn't just another supercar project. For years, Lexus has been known for luxury and reliability. But cars like the LFA, LC500, and now the LFR show that Lexus has a wild side, one filled with passion, precision, and performance. If the concept's proportions stay true to production, expect a front mid-engine layout, rear-wheel drive, and a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission. A 600 horsepower V8 howling past 8,000 RPM. The active rear wing adjusting as you carve through corners. Every input feels sharp, responsive, alive. That's what the LFR promises. A car that's not just fast, but emotional. Industry insiders suggest the production Lexus LFR could launch by late 2026, shortly after the GT3 car's racing debut. That gives Lexus plenty of time to refine, test, and make sure this isn't just another concept dream. Because if this car delivers on its promise, it could redefine Lexus performance for the next decade. From the legendary LFA to this bold new LFR concept, Lexus continues to prove one thing: emotion never dies. Even in an age of silence and electrification, the roar of a V8 still has a heartbeat. So, what do you think? Has Lexus just built the ultimate Aston Martin killer? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest updates on future performance cars like this.